This is day 2 of building an AI app. I went to ShadCN again and copied and pasted this UI for my login and sign up. As you can see, I just removed the Google login and it looks fine. So I used it for all of my authentication forms. Then I added client validation using Zod and React Hook form. You can check the documentation inside CN as well in the components form section. I'm using NextAuth to handle authentication logic. For the database, I decided to use MongoDB since they have free tier. And then I also used server actions for handling backend logic. I also added toasts to display errors and success messages. You can now log in and log out of the app. I also added some security so that if you're not authenticated, it will redirect you to the login page. I also added some simple UI for the generator and profiles tab. That's it for now. Make sure to double tap and follow me if you want to stay updated on this project.